Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Priyanka Pawar, and in this video I'll be sharing with you two methods of DIY prosthetics, and this car is completely made from the DIY prosthetics that we'll be making in this video. So yes, if you are interested, then keep on watching guys. Let's learn to make the fake blood at home. So let's start the process. So for this you'll be needing a coffee powder, hot chocolate and a jaggery powder. Then you need some water too. So let's start it. 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of hot chocolate and 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. So you need to mix these three ingredients very well and then add some water. The water should be added according to the consistency that you need for the fake blood. Add like I have added. Then you need to add some food color to it and start mixing it well. So it will be a thick kind of a blood. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, we are done with a homemade recipe for fake blood. This is completely a edible blood because everything is from kitchen. So if you in case consume it while the Halloween act, so yeah, it will not cause any harm to you. Let's now move to the second DIY, that is how to make a scar wax at home. So for this you will be needing maida, Vaseline, an empty bowl and a spatula for mixing. So let's start the process. You need to take some maida in an empty bowl and take some Vaseline, add to it and start mixing it. We'll increase the quantity of Vaseline as per the need while mixing. So yeah, but let's start with small amount and then gradually we'll increase it. I know the texture is not visible now, but yeah, later it will be visible in the video. So yes, start mixing it well, mix it very nicely and don't lose patience guys because it will take some time. So yeah, this is something it looks like. In the end I have added like twice thrice the Vaseline to it. So then you need to make a dough of it, like you make a normal dough. So yeah, start just mixing it and making a dough. It will be looking something like this when it will be like completely ready. And yeah, the wax is ready guys. You can create any scar, anything that you want from this. So I've given a small demo of the usage of this. So yeah, keep on watching. Take out some homemade wax and then roll it to make the perfect length of the scar. Like the length you want for your scar, you can make it of that length, and then use a gum to stick this to your hand. So I'm using this gum over here to just stick the wax to my hand. So yeah, I have applied the gum, I'm sticking the wax over it, and then I've started blending the edges to my skin. So yeah, we want the edges to look seamless like we normally do. So yeah, this is what I'm doing, and then dabbing it with my finger so that the texture gets equal. Then you need to match the color of the scar and your skin. Now cut the scar as per your requirement. So I've made like 2 cuts. Then I'm using this homemade blood too. So yes guys, we are almost done, and this scar is totally like we have made it from the DIYs. The blood is homemade, the scar wax is homemade. So yes guys, this is done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my channel, and yes guys, thank you so much for watching.